What's going on, guys? This is another live recording I'm doing. Okay, so I'm just gonna point out what I'm kind of seeing right now. So on the 3 minute, we hit this untapped buy side. Okay, this is the last buy side until this high up here, which is pretty far. On the 15 minute, it was also a fair value gap. Okay, so you can see we never close above it, and that's something I'm monitoring. Okay, so what is my thought process now? Well, now, okay, if you draw discount from swing low to swing high, we can see we just bounced off 0.705, and it was I believe a 1 minute fair value gap. Okay, and now that we tap buy side above here, so buy side is above here. Okay, and we have potential sell model forming down here, which I'm not super confident it is yet. Okay, this is where I kind of wait for the market to show me where it wants to go. Okay, so knowing that we have untapped buy side, we have potential sell side down here, which would be my guess is this is where I would think we would go. You're not going to take any short setups unless you see them, okay? And this is kind of when ICT says, oh, we have buy side and sell side. Okay, well, how do you know which one's going to be hit? That's when you start looking for structure, what every 1 minute individual candle is telling you. Okay, right now, this is all bearish. We had a giant 1 minute fair value gap right here. Okay, but we have to realize we also held this one. Okay, so if we get like giant displacement above this high with a fair value gap and then a retracement of the discount, then the market's telling me that it wants to go higher. Okay, but until I get something like that, until I get structure like that, I'm not really looking to take anything because the market doesn't really, it's not telling me what it wants to do. Okay, earlier it told me that, okay, there's these equal highs up there, I think it's going to go hit these equal highs. That was obvious. Okay, and we do have equal highs again up here. Not really significant, but they still are equal highs, which I'm keeping in mind. I'm still monitoring those, but again, I'm not taking any setups right here in live time until the market kind of shows me something. And with all these candles right here, it's not really showing me anything. Again, I'm going to keep this marked. I'm going to keep this sell side marked. What could happen is we could go under this sell side, maybe hit this, and then retrace. Again, I'm not, until the market screams out at me what it wants to do. I'm not sure what model we're in right now. I'm not sure what the bias is. I'm kind of just sitting here with equal highs marked. I know we already have buy side in the higher time frame until like 4-1-5-6 or whatever. So this is kind of what ICT means when he's waiting for the market and telling him what he wants to do. Okay, and I wouldn't blatantly long this. Okay, obviously you can see it worked out. But what I would do is I'll wait for like a confirmation long setup. So what I just said, a structure break, retracing the discount fair value gap, and then a pump up. Okay, but until we get any of that, I'm not really looking to do anything. And I wouldn't really want to short. If we did get a short setup here, I wouldn't short. We're already too low and already too close to this low. But let's say the market's like, okay, we have a lot of displacement down. We want to hit these lows. I'd probably just relook for another long setup down here. If you're not in short from right here, it's not worth chasing, in my opinion, unless you get a really obvious entry and we have these equal highs above. This was I was trying to get this entry up here because I saw we dumped the displacement through this low. Never got it, unfortunately. It is what it is. But yeah, this is kind of what ICT means when he kind of says, oh, wait for the market to tell you what it wants to do. Again, I have no bias here. I'm just kind of watching to see if it gives me a potential setup here. So hopefully you guys, this helped you. I'm not going to post an update on what happens, but it is Wednesday the 15th, so you can come back to the setup and see what happens after. I am likely done till 1:30, and I do a class today, so again, just kind of sitting waiting here.